Hi everybody, so today I'm going to alter this my big toolbox here. I'm using the acrylic paint skin tone color there, painted inside. So I to put it together for with which inside which one is outside. So I know where I paint it, where I have to paint it. This, as I told you guys before, if you paint it first before you put it together, later it's gonna give you a hard time putting it together. You have to sand it, especially on this one, the toolbox, because the divider, the divider between the box inside. You will see what I'm talking about. So I'm just painting here. I didn't paint the bottom piece because it's inside, so I don't think that matters. Nobody gonna see, and but at least somebody lift it up to look at the bottom, but otherwise you gonna use that one anyway, so I don't think anybody care. Well, except the one who received and you, I guess. On my first one that I pretty much cover all the paper, but this one is like, no, I'm not gonna cover with the paper. I'm limited on the paper. So now I'm just trying to clean up and hit two. And now fun part. Here my paper right there. See, this will be a little bit hard to use the divider between because the paper. Now I'm cutting the paper off the whole the slot there that you need to cut it off, and the handle. This was all the edges, and now the other side. The inside only I alter on that one that I'm doing middle because that gonna show, so I need to cover with the paper. Otherwise the inside you barely see it. I don't care to cover with the paper. So now see because the paper is getting thicker, so I need to have some thing to put it there. I have to hammer it down with the make two there. Now time to put it together. You can use any wood glue that you have. It doesn't matter any brand that you like to use. Now I'm putting all together. So let it sit a little while to let it dry. Now I'm painting on the edge. Get over that. Make sure cover all the paint. So I do not want to see the wood color. Now time to cover on the side. Now I'm covered with my medium there. Now time to the other side. The paper that I use graphic by Glitted Lily, I believe that's the right name. And then cover on both sides. And coat with my medium there. And go over all the one is the paint came off. And now I'm using my mini pro trim there around my box. I love using the pearls. Yeah, it doesn't, it's tiny, I think it's perfect size. I just do the bottom and on both sides, and then I use lace on that one, on the top there. I love the lace. Do the same thing with the other side, and then use sentiment there and little flowers there. I'm done on that side, and then on the other side I use the clock and the flower. That's it, I'm done. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you everybody for watching, and I hope you guys like my project. See you guys later. Bye bye.